My name is Nicholas Federico, presenting a study from the Florida Museum of Natural History. Our study was focused on the eastern redback salamander, Plethodon cinereus, an abundant salamander that exhibits a color polymorphism, or the presence of two or more color variants maintained within a population. Plethodon cinereus has two color variants, a striped morph with a red stripe on a black back, and an unstriped morph with a plain black back. Prior studies have shown that particular morphs often respond differently to certain climate-related variables. In particular, the striped morph is more often associated with cooler, wetter conditions, and the unstriped morph is more often associated with warmer, drier conditions. However, more recent studies have shown that these trends do not always hold true. Our study aims to determine if particular morphs are associated with different climate-related variables across the range and over time. We also wanted to determine if color morphs are differentially adapting to warming temperatures through alterations in body size. We compiled a data set of 2,988 Plethodon cinereus specimens by digitally measuring each salamander from a set of batch photographs taken at the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. Next, citizen scientists classified each individual as striped or unstriped through the online platform Notes from Nature. This dataset was run through generalized linear mixed effect models in the program R to test whether morph ratios change in response to climatic variables and if frequency has changed over time. To examine trends in body size, linear mixed effect models were run on a new dataset created after excluding juveniles by removing any individual under 34 millimeters in snout vent length. In the morph frequency models, we found an increase in the proportion of striped morphs as mean annual temperature increases. We also found that the proportion of striped morphs decreased with an increase in mean annual precipitation. Finally, we found that the frequency of striped morphs has increased over time. Body size models showed decreasing snout vent length with increasing temperature. Models also showed that smaller individuals were found in spring and summer, while larger individuals were found in the winter. We also found that snout vent length of adults has decreased over time. Finally, models showed that over time, unstriped morphs have increased in snout vent length and striped morphs have decreased.